All right, welcome. Today we're doing the LEGO Classic 11006, and we're going to do the whale today. So check it, we got to take this 2x6 brick, and the first thing we do is take one of these guys, kind of the little triangle one with it's like a 2x2 triangle thing. Then we take it, put it on backwards like so. And then we're going to take these half ones and we're going to stick them like that. Just like that. Next, we're going to take two more of those and we're going to put them on the other side. Like that, on that side. Dropped it. And that one. So, should look something like that. This is going to be the tail of the whale. The whale of tail. Okay. Next, we take this 1x2. 1x2 brick will go in front of all of those. Something like that. And then take the upside down triangle bit and put it on the very front. And lock it. Similar thing, we're going to take these two pieces. So we're going to take our 1x2 and we're going to put it just right behind this lighter blue piece right there. And this one is going to be going directly behind it. Like so. Let's get the back of the whale coming right there. These two pieces will be used for the eyes, and they will be placed just in front of the pieces we put on top of the light blue piece. So like that. Like so. And we'll take another 1x2 and put it on the very front. Very nose of the whale. You see it's starting to look pretty whale-like. We'll take these two, again, the 2x2 triangle bits, and put one facing the front and one facing the back. Oops. Just like that. Nice tall whale. Next, we'll take this piece here, the 2x2, but with the single peg on top, put it on the very top of the whale. We'll take the blue fire or the water, put it on top, inside the little hole. That's his blowhole. And last but not least, we need to put the eyes on. And so these eyes will go around this little eye socket thing, and we're going to put it inside the hole in the middle. Pop, like that. Flip it around, do the other one. And there's our cute little whale. Gosh, I love these. They're so cute. And that's it.